It's one man versus the jungle. Only thing I took in are Dewalt tools. Everything you see here, everything. And all of this land that you couldn't go from one side to the other, has all been done with Dewalt cordless tools. 16-inch chainsaw, 8-inch limb cutter, sawzall, angle grinder, and weed eater. This is my story. And I'm gonna say, it looks like hell to you guys. It looks great in comparison to where we started. I couldn't be happier with how this is going. And it's just been me. We had wire fencing up in here that we took out. We had vines as big as my arm that we cut. We had trees that were dead and falling, sticker bushes, and everything. All were no match for Dewalt. Yeah, I'm coming down the home stretch here of clearing out all of this. And you can see all of that. Shout out to Dewalt. They've proven themselves to me again. Well, hello good people, Mark Holmes here, and as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I am a Dewalt tool guy. I love Dewalt tools. I've got so many different Dewalt tools, I can't even remember some of the ones. Everything from electric nailers to heat gun. I've got here my extension pruning saw, 20-volt one, and my 20-volt string trimmer. Now here's where I'm really putting this to the test. Over here, this lot, we're cleaning that up with these two items. Let me show you how much we've done so far. And I've been cutting and whacking. It's really hot out, so I haven't been working for too long each of the days. But I've been using my angle grinder, cutting the fence, and you can see one of those bugs, the lantern flies. But I've been cutting the fence. I've cut those out, and I'm working on getting that. And if you look down through here, we started trimming up like crazy all of these trees, and we've taken a string trimmer and we've had grass that hasn't been cut all season that's down in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do some more, because what I want to do is, there's a lot of big trees over there, but there's a lot of brush that's over there, and I've been just basically whacking away using the pruning the Dewalt pruner. I can't speak right now, it's so hot. Just cutting off limbs and branches. If you look at that big tree over there, you can see that one right there. That's about a 3-inch limb that was cut off. But I'm going to clean this section up using just Dewalt tools. Let's see if they can stand the test. As we walk over here, I want you to notice that what we've done is we've taken the weed eater and we've cut a path all the way down to the bottom, because we're going to get a bulk pickup for all of the brush that we cut off. And I've been working on just cutting down and cleaning up. So over here, this is the woods. Oh, mind you, I cut that with it too. That one, yeah, that's about a 5-inch piece. But all of this in here, we're going to clean up, so that way we can see through to the other side. Let's get started. Okay, so I've been actually cutting for 5 minutes, and I've cut down a lot of stuff in here. And you can see some of the limbs and things in here are a couple inches thick, and you can see it's starting to go down. It's going down for real. So let's check and see, will it cut something this big? This thing with the 60-volt batteries is an absolute positive beast. My biggest problem is I'm gonna have to drag all this stuff down the hill. But look at this oak tree, this walnut tree. It's huge. There's a lot of cleaning up to do in here, but we're gonna do it. Let's see how well it cuts on these bigger pieces. Because we're piling up all the debris over here, we weed-eated this first so we can make our pile in here. We created a pathway. You couldn't go from the top to the bottom. You had to go all the way around. so that way we could carry all the stuff back down through here. And this, my friends, is all the stuff that we've done with our 20-volt Dewalt brush cutter and weed eater, and now the hedge trimmer. And we'll take that hedge trimmer, we'll just go through and we'll be able to wipe this stuff out real good. I forgot I also have a 16-inch chainsaw, but I haven't needed that as of yet. I just want to clean out like all the saplings and things like this and get it kind of nice. Well, spent about 2 hours out here with my Dewalt tools, and I think we did pretty good. We got a lot of this chopped up in here. We got all of this now opened up so you can actually see the woods. Yeah, Dewalt, they are definitely a beast. Let me show you what. I was taking the hedge clipper to kind of cut the brush up, and then taking the string trimmer and then just kind of chopping it all up. Looks like it was cut with a lawnmower, and this looks great. I couldn't ask for this to be any better. And we can see our house real good. And now we'll actually be able to see some of the trees over here. Whew. Once we get all of this cleaned out, it's going to look fantastic because we've got so many mature trees that are in here. I'm Mark Holmes and believe in Dewalt tools. They rebuilt that 205-year-old house. Time to check in on the red brick house diet. We started this morning at sunrise, and the sun's getting closer to setting, and that's all the rocks we have left. And we're closing in on 16,000 steps for the day. Let me say that again, 16,000 steps. And about 2 miles of it was carrying these rocks. I can't wait to see what I weigh when I get on the scale. Guarantee I've sweat off a lot of water weight and hopefully some fat. So, the only thing that's stopping us now is we're getting some rain. We had a wire fence here, we used our angle grinder. I did pull out my chainsaw, although I cut this with my Sawzall, with my 60-volt max, because it had wire in it and I didn't want to risk the chainsaw. But you can see we have cleared off. We started off over there in that section. We have cleared all of this off. And down the hill here, boy, well, we've got a truckload of wire and brush. We've got a mountain down there as well. And it's definitely beginning to look pretty good. And I'm only using Dewalt cordless tools to do this job. And if it wasn't raining, I'd probably work for about another hour or so and clean off the rest of this. But I'll use my chainsaw, and I'll cut up all of the wood so we have some firewood, and we'll clean off the brush through here. And so we can have a great view from upstairs and the kitchen all the way through. I'm Mark Holmes, and I appreciate you guys. Peace. I tell you, as I stand here and look at how much stuff we've taken down, and we've only been using Dewalt tools. Now let me explain to you everything that we use on this reclaiming. Now I'm working on this a few hours a day in between working on other parts of things of the house. I have been using, of course, my pruning trimmer here. I've been using my edge trimmer, excuse me, not edge trimmer, string trimmer. I've used my chainsaw, although truth in advertising, my chainsaw, the sprocket, the screw broke off inside of it. What happened is my chain ended up hitting a piece of metal, and it jumped on it and it broke, so I've ordered actually a new part for it. It's a new sprocket, it's $15, and they'll change that. And I've used my angle grinder because I've had this metal fence that's over here on it, and I used the Sawzall. Believe it or not, I used my Sawzall. It's a 60-volt one because we had this tree stump that had wire in it, and I didn't want to risk the chainsaw with it. But you can see here, we've been cleaning off everything through here, and you can see our pile of debris down there that we're going to go through. So today I'm going to work on trimming up all of this stuff in here and trying to make it so the way you can see all the big trees here. But it's coming real quick. I get tired before this does. You can see we've used this, cutting this tree right here that was green, about 4.5 inches in diameter, and all of this brush right through here. Wow. We'll throw this on the pile, and then we'll come back through with the weed eater to clean it up. Whew. It's warm today, and I think I'm gonna get out of the sun for a bit. Oh my goodness, and get some water. And then of course I've got to get all this drug out. Dewalt, I need a tool that's gonna carry all this stuff for me.